Today we're doing a transmission service on a Nissan XTrail 2007 model. Got the 6-speed CVT transmission in it. Now these have a dipstick on them, but what you have to do is you have to get a screwdriver in there and just press that little tang just so you can pull it out. You can see that little clip there. If you've got a vacuum pump, probably a little bit less messy if you suck the oil out of the transmission. If you don't have a vacuum pump, it's not a real issue on these. You can drain the oil out of the drain plug there. And on this one, we've also got the transfer case up here. So we're going to do a change of the oil on the transfer case as well. So we'll just take these front screws out of that stone guard there, and you can actually just sort of maneuver it out of the way there, just so you can get access to the front of the pan. Just let it drain out a bit, less messy. Just going to whiz off the 3 10mm bolts on the filter there. You can see where that magnet was sitting. It's magnetised the bolt there on the valve body. And you can see we've got a little bit of rubbish on the magnets there. CVTs do create a lot of fine metal debris. So it's very important to do a regular transmission service on these. And if you can, good idea to add magnets as well. Okay, pan's nice and clean. We like to leave the magnets up on these little bumps there. The idea is to get the surface area, the maximum surface area of the magnet working, catching any fine rubbish that floats around in the pan. Just be aware that these transmissions, the same transmission can have 3 different types of filter. The shape's exactly the same, it's just the height of the snorkel. There's a 14mm, 23mm and a 42mm pickup on it. Make sure you get the right one. All back together. Just got to put the stone guard back on, fill it up with CVT approved or compatible fluid, and I think they take about 8 litres to start with. Make sure you don't overfill them. If you do, you'll have to drain a little bit out if you don't have a vacuum pump to suck a little bit of fluid out. Anyway, I hope that's helped. Don't forget to leave any comments or questions in the section below. Throw me a beer if any of this information has helped. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.